Do you get eyeshadow smudges right on the outer corners of your eyes like this? If you want smudge-free results like this, then keep on watching. First, take a large fluffy powder brush and some setting powder and apply that underneath your eyes. Next, take a tissue and wipe off the excess oil on your eyelids. Then take your eyeshadow primer and apply that all over your eyelids and a little bit underneath your lower lash line and smudge it in. Apply your eyeshadow as normal and apply your eyeliner. You can also check my eyeliner tutorial in the description below. Now pat eyeshadow on top of your eyeliner to set it in place. This keeps it from moving around and smudging. Next, take your eye pencil and line the lower lash line. With my eyeliner brush, I'm going to smudge and soften that line. Now this time I'm using a lighter eyeshadow to place on top of my lower lash line. This is to help my eyes look softer and not so dark. And no more smudging. I hope this helps. Drop any questions in the comments and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!